Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and if you want to add here some options or just to remove some of them or just to change the position of the icons here, you should click here to this edit icon, and after that we can see here this down section with these invisible icons. And for example, let's imagine that you want to add the screencast to your notification panel shortcuts. Just to do that, you should hold it and after that drag it here to this subsection. By the same way, you can add here more and more icons. If you want to just remove some of them, you should hold and drag it to the down section by this way. And to change their positions here on the panel, you should hold and after that drag it. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And just if you want to save the changes, you should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.